Hi from Tosh Tires. I've got a Toyota Auris here. I'm just doing a tail light bulb on this. Just going to show you which one it is first. Can you switch your lights on, please? As you see, this one here, the driver's side is working, the passenger side isn't. Now these are quite easy to do. If you open the boot, on the inside, as you see this one here, that's the one for the tail light. So all you do is twist it to your left like this, pull the bulb out. That's all you need, and it's a 501 bulb, which is a standard 501 bulb. So I've got the bulb out. Now he's got the bulb here already. That's all you need. Now I've got the bulb out, so all I'll do is then clip it back in. Once I've clipped it in, then put it through the hole and then twist it to my left. Right, that's all done. All I'm going to do now is switch the lights on, make sure, see if they're working. Got the lights on, please? Yep, that's all good. That's all you got to do on your car as well. Any more information, let us know. We'll try helping you if we can. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.